Hello everyone and welcome to my video. My name is Mahdi.Far. Today in this video I'll teach you how to grow pineapple at home. Most of the time I'm confident when you buy pineapple you only eat this part and you think the crown side is garbage and you throw it away. But today in this video I'll explain to you, I'll teach you how to use the crown side and how to make a new pineapple plant. And also it can give you pineapple after 1 year, maximum 1.5 years. Okay, now let's go step by step. I'll explain to you how to make a pineapple plant from pineapple fruit. At the end, if you like my video, please push the like, share it with your friend, and also press the subscribe button. So now let's start the video. First, you need to twist the crown side. Here you can see I removed the crown side. Now it's better to strip off the lower leaves because we can see there are a lot of leaves. It's better to strip off the lower . Better to strip off a little bit more. Now you can see the crown side and it's better to put it in water, but please note only this side, this part should be in water and leaf shouldn't be in water. After 1 week you can see the root, at the end of crown side, and after 1 week rooting can be done, but if you want to make sure you have enough roots and it's a good time to transfer it to the pot, it's a good time to plant it in soil, it's better to leave it for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks you will have enough roots and you can transfer it to the pot and plant it in soil. Okay, now I leave it for 2 weeks, and also please note it's better to change the water every 2 days. Every 2 days it's better to replace the old water with fresh water. 3 weeks passed and you can see the roots on the surface of pineapple, and it means now it's time to transfer it to the pot and plant it in soil. First we need to make a very big hole. Please note roots are very sensitive and very thin, and we should be very careful. Try to make a very big hole and put it in soil and cover it with soil. Now we need to water it and try to put it behind the window in a sunny area. And as I already mentioned, after approximately 1.5 years it can give you pineapple. 3 months ago I planted a pineapple with same method. You can see it was the primary plant, and after 3 months you can see a new plant with new leaves. I hope you found this video useful. At the end, if you have any comment or a question, please don't hesitate to ask me. And if you like my video, please push the like, press the subscribe button, and also share it with your friends. And if you want to get notification whenever I publish a new video, please hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.